What is custom software and how can it help your business? We get that question a lot. And I wanted to make a quick video to try and help you understand how it is that we can come alongside your business and help you guys improve better. See, every business relies on the processes that they use to get the job done. And oftentimes, as a company grows and expands, these processes can become muddled, they become overly complex, they become inefficient. And this is just the natural evolution of a business. And if you don't get ahead of that, it can often lead to tons of time wasted, lots of missed opportunities, lost revenue. There's lots of negative consequences that come as a result of not managing your processes well. So what we do is we actually come alongside of you. We sit with your business for a period of time to understand, and this is often done just through a simple discussion, to understand what processes are holding your company back. And to help you kind of identify some different pain points, I want to touch on a couple of examples of projects that we've completed for clients to help give you just a baseline of, wow, this is actually something that could benefit us. So the first example is a project that we completed where a client had a lot of different customers that they actually just deliver products to. They develop relationships with these customers, and instead of the customers ordering products as they need it, this client actually is able to just deliver the products to the customers on a regular basis and then simply send them an invoice for it. And so the process that they were using before working with us is, as their delivery people were taking products, delivering them to the customers, they were simply writing on a scratch piece of paper in complete gibberish to this product to this customer. Now, to make this product even more complex, or this process more complex, each customer had unique pricing. So it's not oh, this product sells for X dollars. It's, oh, what's the price that this product sells for this customer? And so the salespeople would send this scratch piece of paper. They would take a picture of it. They would email it to the accountant and the controller, who would then have to decode what's on this scratch piece of paper, input that into QuickBooks, generate a packing list, and then send that packing list and invoice off to the customer for then collecting billing. So it became this very time-consuming and very wasteful process that we came in, we built a solution for them that allowed their delivery people to actually log into a system. They could select the customer that they were delivering product to. They could choose the product, submit the quantity, and now the accountant and the controller don't have to touch anything because it's all automated. Because as soon as the order gets into the system, it generates a packing list that gets sent to the customer. And then at the end of the month, the controller can run a report, pull out everything that's been delivered, and then send those subsequent invoices off to the customers. That's one example. A second example is for a university that I worked with. In their project management department, they have a way of measuring the urgency and the importance of different projects that are being submitted by all of the different departments inside of that university. And this group, they were voting on projects to get a weight of the importance and the urgency. But the way that they were doing it is they were actually sending out a spreadsheet to each individual voter, because they wanted the votes to be anonymous and not in person, because they didn't want any peer pressure to affect people, etc. So they were using a spreadsheet, but only one person could edit the spreadsheet at a time. If you changed any of the cells other than the ones that you were supposed to be filling out for your vote, it would basically corrupt the entire file. Everyone would have to start over from scratch. And it was a pain in the butt for this organization. So what we built for them was a custom solution where they could actually just have people come to a site and submit a vote anonymously, but yet the system then compiled all of the data. It then applied the different weight formulas that the organization used or the university used to weight their projects. And now they have a simple solution where as soon as it's time to vote, everybody can do it at the same time in the same room without fear of knowing who's voting for what. But then they could see the results live in real time, and then be able to make the appropriate decisions that best suited that university for each project. Now, a third and final example, and this is where for different organizations who do different things, we can often be, as I like to put it, like a custom home builder for software, right? So, you can get a house anywhere, but if you want a unique solution, something that only your company needs, this is where we really shine and come through. So we're working with an organization who it's actually like an educational school and a program that teaches a very specific science. And with their science, like what they do requires a very specific formula of steps, like a series of steps. And what they like to do is after their students, get through the training and complete these series of steps effectively, they want to be able to record the information that was obtained during that series or during that session. And it's a very unique way to do that. And so what we did is we came alongside of them because they had no way to know what to do or how to build this. So we actually sat, listened to them, listened to what it is that their students obtain, what it is that's gathered during these sessions. And we actually built them a complete system that allows their students to submit their sessions. It stores all of the data. It records the accuracy, the score of the session, and lets the student over time assess their performance, their growth, et cetera. It allows the school as a whole or this organization to see the progress of all of their students, and it's helped them grow significantly. So if you have any questions, I am more than happy to talk with you, or a member of my team will talk with you, because we want to get to the bottom of what it is that will help your company grow. And if you are somebody who has to do a daily or weekly task that is frustrating, is inefficient, then we are who to talk to. So you can use the link on this page to schedule a consultation where we will just sit and listen and really try to pull out what it is that will help your company succeed. So have an awesome, awesome day.